VHS tapes are still going, man. Classic, Waterboy. Classic stuff here, man. Workout tapes. Jaws. Package a little bit damaged or whatever, but still brand new in the packaging, all right? Clamshells, all right? Not in the best condition, man. Condition always fully disclosed, all right? Welcome back. I'm Ddot Serves, and I'm here to serve you. Appreciate you guys for stopping back by once again, man. It's always appreciated on my end. If you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now, okay? Today is the part 2 of selling VHS tapes online, man. eBay particular, okay? Yes, they are still selling, man. Some people probably don't even know what they are, never seen them in their lifetime, okay? I'm going to be breaking down these 11 sales that I've been had recently over, I would say, a little over a month, possibly 2 months, okay? Made 110 bucks so far on this one, okay? I still have a gang of VHSs, but I just wanted to, in particular, monitor my VHS sales tapes during this time period just to show you guys, okay? And all of these VHS tapes were purchased at Goodwill Outlet, okay? Everything in Goodwill Outlet goes by the pound, okay? So I would say it's a $6.95 investment because I weighed out these 11 sales of VHS tapes and it totaled out to just about under 5 pounds, okay? So that's 11 VHS tapes weighing about 5 pounds, so I rounded up, okay? I multiplied that by $1.39, which is what they charge at the Goodwill Outlet per pound, okay? $1.39. So that came out to about $6.95, all right? We're gonna round it up to $7, okay? So we're talking about a $7 investment that I made $110.65, all right? I only tracked this for about 6 weeks, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. All right, first up, we got the John Wayne Collector Series, all right? 5-pack Texas Trail Beyond Randy Starr Packer, all right? I was able to get $11.98 for that one, okay? Next up, we got the Boogie Nights VHS from 1998. I was able to get $8.73 for that one, okay? Next up, we got the Way of the Traditional Taekwondo Chong Jun 1 through 2 training VHS, all right? A lot of 2. With that one, man, I was actually able to get about 25 VHS tapes, all right? I was getting ready to say DVD, but VHS tapes, okay? I was able to get a gang of them, and I was actually able to, you know, do a little research and to figure out how to piece them up and line them up, all right? I do have larger lots of these because of certain ranking or whatever you want to call it, not to be disrespectful, but I was able to lot them up in certain ways, and some of them been going out the door that way, all right? So I was able to get $13.84, all right? We're talking about a used VHS tape, all right? All right, this sale in particular, man, is the actual VHS cleaning agent, VHS player cleaning agent, I would say, all right? That's what you put in to clean the actual head player, okay? Yes, those do sell used, new, whatever, so if you find those out, make sure you pick them up, okay? This one in particular, all right, Ambico, I was able to get $23.40 for that one. Next up, we got the Toy Story 2 VHS clamshell, all right? VHSs are selling depending on the actual movie itself, okay? $7.76 on that one. Next up, we got the Jerry Springer Comedian Demo tape, all right? It says rare, vintage. Where does comedy come from, all right? I guess this is what early in his career, it was brand new. I was able to get $5.43 for that one, all right? Not too much, but hey, it's out the door. Next up, we got the package from with Gene Hackman, Tommy Lee Jones from 1994. I was able to get even $6 on that one, okay? Next up, we got another VHS head cleaner, okay? The actual solution was actually still in there and it was still filled to the brim, but I did list it as used, okay? I was able to get $9.91 for that one. That one is not necessarily a popular brand, so I kind of got what I can get on that one, all right? Next, we got the Miami Vice VHS, okay, from 1997. That was brand new. Of course, I did free shipping on that one, man, just to try to appeal the eye. I was able to get $9.48 for that brand new VHS tape. Okay. Last, we got the Disney Gordy, okay, the talking pig who made it big, all right. VHS, it was used. And it was in the clamshell, okay? That totals out to $110.65 on that one, okay? We're talking about a $7 investment, turning into $110.65 on VHS tapes, okay? In particular, if you see these clamshells, check out the condition. Always open up to make sure it's the right one in there, all right? And Disney ones go pretty good, man. Anytime I see Disney, I always pick it up and check it out. But like I said, man, get out there, find them VHSs, man. You'll be surprised what you'll find, trust me. All right? Till next time, peace.